what we got here? RCX 185 by Benelli. Made in China, of course, as proudly right here in the engine. This is a underbone bike that mostly made for rich teenagers, and mostly in countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand, etc. It's an interesting bike because it's got a bit of technology and the feeling of a bigger motorcycle. So now we will speak about this lovely underbone motorcycle. What we got? I will tell you from the start what we don't have that we are used to have it in this category. We don't have a Kickstarter. The bike has got only electric starter. We got a saddle that has got a bit of space down of it for the tank, for the tools and for the papers. We got handles for the second rider. We got a place to put a bottle of water or anything you like here. It's big enough. And the position of riding is very comfortable. I feel comfortable. I have a rubber in my footrests, and also there is metal footrests for Georgia. I have a single stand, I have a double stand, and I have an LCD screen that gives me a lot of information about RPM, about my speed, about fuels, about the clock, and it's nice LCD screen anyway. Now let's see it with Georgia. Georgia, please. Georgia, what is your opinion?
Back to school again. Well,
back to school, yeah.
Yes, it's a nice seat. You can have a second person here. It has to be a little small.
So,
it's,
do you think that you can move with your side inside the city easily?
I can move.
Okay.
I can move in the.
But that's it.
Seat. Yes.
That's it.
Yes,
that's it.
That's it.
That's it. For persons in our size, inside the city. That's it. But of course, for a teenager with his girlfriend, the range is going far away.
Easy.
Okay, I feel comfortable. I'm not protected at all. I have a good view back, and the sound of the engine is nice. The gearbox, it's also nice. So we are a bit outside of the city, and let's try to change directions. Nice, we do it easily. This bike cornering nice, and the brakes are very good, I can say. Now we have power. Yes, we have power. So this is a comfortable small motorcycle.
Unfortunately, I don't have a place to put a camera in this bike, and also I cannot hold it because I need my hand for the clutch. So I put it in my helmet, and I hope that I will find something to show you. But anyway, this is a nice and alive engine of 174 cubics with a lot of technology for underbone on it. It's water cooled, 4 valves, nicely, 6-speed clutch. I love it. Very good engine. Now, we got the back fork is got a single adjuster, lovely and looks nice also. And the front, we got something that looks like upside down. Unfortunately, after the part that you see, it's a typical underbone style fork that is placed only in one position with the bike. So, the brakes now. Front, we got a 2-piston caliber brake, and back, we got a single piston caliber brake. Do we have good brakes? Yes, the brakes are lovely. We got 2-channel ABS, and anyway, for sure, you feel very safe with these brakes. I like it. So, that's it. Quality. What is the quality in this underbone? We start with a saddle that is a very good. It's a nice material, looks that is made nicely. It's got the Benelli logo here. It's nice. The plastics now are okay. We got a nice perla gray color. We got nice black parts that is matte. The stickets is not the best possible. I think that easy you can remove them. And I consider generally the LCD screen is not the best possible, but I consider that this is a nice made motorcycle. I don't know what is going to happen in time, in 1 year, in 2 years, but that what I see now looks nice. Finally, beautiful motorcycle, safe motorcycle, alive enough motorcycle, and I am positive. Of course, you are going to buy this bike if you are teenager or if you are feel like teenager. This is not a bike for delivery, this is not a bike for adults. Otherwise, this is a nice and beautiful underbone motorcycle. Georgia.
What do you mean? Well, I feel like a teenager because I like it.
Are you going to buy it?
I would, but then I thought, why don't I buy a scooter and buy this?
I will answer to you on that question. For sure, scooters are the best motorcycles for inside the town and around of it. There is no doubt about that. Because they got the best protection from the weather conditions. The rain, the wind, the snow and etc. But let's say that you are in Greece, in Italy, in France, in Egypt, in Turkey, in a place like anyway with a most of the year with a good weather, and you want to move inside the city only in summer and spring, not in the winter time, then you can buy this bike.
Yes, and then there is another matter of the spaces. Well, okay. Yeah.
You wanted to move it. You don't want to carry things with that.
Yes, exactly.
If you want to carry things, for sure you will buy again a scooter. Doesn't matter the weather.
Yes.
So, it's okay?
Okay, I'm done. What else?
Nothing.
I love the sound. I like the sound very much.
The sound?
Yes, I like it.
What is the special with the sound?
Not like this, when you're moving. Close it.
So, η εγρήγορση της ανθρώπινης πραγματικότητας που έγκυται σε ένα αποδομημένο είναι τείνει να τελέσει στην αποφασιστικότατη επικούρηση μιας ανθρώπινης κοινωνίας μέσα από το γίγνεσθε του Θεού. Ως εκ τούτου παρουσιάζεται η Μπενέλη ως φερέφωνη αυτού δια την επί του επιουσίου συγκοινωνίας αυτών υπηκών μετά των υπολείπων. Είδες?
Όχι, νόμιζα ότι είχα τσουτσουρώσει, δεν τσουτσούρωσα. Όχι.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is
Ioannis
Georgia
for κόκκινα φεγγάρια
Motorcycle Rock Show.
Real life reviews.
Thanks for watching. Αστέρια είμαστε.